How do you pronounce the mid-tone in Thailand? Hi, if you haven't seen me before, my name is Shay. I teach how to speak Malay like a local here on YouTube. Okay, so if I speak Malay, why I'm talking about Thai? I'm here currently in Bangkok, Thailand, learning Thai language. Yes. So if you're trying to learn Malay, I know how you feel about learning a different language because I'm learning Thai. And it's not easy. However, I just want to mention something about the tones in Thai versus Malay. The mid-tone in Thai, there's 5 tones in Thai in total. The mid-tone is the one that's like flat. It's usually like flat and dragged out. For example, the word ma means cup. Ma is like flat. No movement in your voice when you say it. It's literally just say the word ma and drag it out. Ma, ma. It's like flat, right? So that's kind of like how you say the flat tone or the mid tone in Thai. Because Thai is a tonal language, the way you say ma could mean totally different things. If you say ma in a different tone, you will totally change the meaning. It's no longer cup. For example, if you say the word ma in a different tone, like ma, ma, that is a rising tone. It starts high, go down, go back high, and that means dog. It no longer means cup. So that is something you have to watch out when you try to learn Thai. If you're trying to learn Malay, it's so much easier because we don't have tones in Malay. Pretty much every Malay word that you will learn or you will hear me teach you, they all have mid-tone. So this is kind of why I wanted to bring up this point of tones in Thai. The mid-tone in Thai is pretty much all the words in Malay. It's super easy, right? For example, my name is, right? Nama, saya, Shay. There's no going up, going down, none of that. So it's super easy for you to remember. There's no tone that you have to worry when you learn Malay because we don't have that. The only time when we use tones in Malay is to like ask a question, to put emphasis on a word or a particle for different contexts. For example, when you say no in Malay, no in Malay is tak, short form of tidak, but people just say tak. And then the particle lah, you hear Malaysians, especially Malays, will say that lah word a lot. Lah, lah. If you say tak lah, lah, that is a high tone. That is very similar to a high tone in Thai. Instead of saying tak lah, you say tak lah. It's like cut from down and goes up. So tak lah is similar to the high tone in Thai. Like for example, they want to say chang, which means elephant, which is a high tone. So that's kind of like when you use tones in Malay. But for everything else, just use the mid tone if you are familiar with Thai language or if you're learning Thai and also trying to learn Malay. Just use the mid tone for pretty much everything in Malay except to put emphasis at the end of the sentence or you're asking a question or similar to that. But I'll teach you more in future lessons, other examples that when we use tones in Malay. But for now, just know that all Malay words use a flat or mid-tone, like the mid-tone in Thai. Nama, saya, Shay. Again, the mid-tone in Thai is flat. You just drag the word out, especially if it's a long vowel. If a word that uses long vowel, just drag it out. Ma, flat, mid, ma. No movement in your wave of your voice. Ma. That's the mid-tone in Thai. Why I'm teaching you this? Well, I'm learning Thai, so I figured I'll bring you along and do a comparison with Malay. So you can learn 2 things. Please subscribe to my channel. So make sure you do. Till next time, happy learning Malay and Thai.